And Matthew 24 is there not because of the disciples who asked him the question, Lord, tell us what things will be before you come back. Tell us what signs we will see at your coming. Tell us what's going to mark the end of the age. Matthew 24 is there so that who will be living at that time can take heed to themselves. Take heed, take heed, take heed. Meaning, mind yourselves, mind yourselves, mind yourselves. Matthew 24 and verse 7, for nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines, pestilences, and earthquakes in various places. Famines, pestilences, earthquakes in various places. That verse is almost the same as Luke chapter 21 and verse 11. Luke 21 and 11. And there will be great earthquakes in various places. Excuse me, please. Let me take that again. Luke 21 and 11. And there will be great earthquakes in various places, and famines and pestilences, and there will be fearful sights and great signs from heaven. So you see, in one place, as I was careful to note here, in Matthew 24 and 7, it says earthquakes. So it's talking about your 2.1s, your 3.4s, even your 4s, even some of your 5s. Those are earthquakes. Great earthquakes are the ones that start to climb up on the Richter scale, and there is a difference between the two in terms of intensity, in terms of duration, in terms, of course, of damage. Those three things, intensity, duration, and damage, often also inform the third D, which is death toll. So, as I was writing down the verses, I heard the Lord's voice saying to me, black as sackcloth of hair. Black as sackcloth of hair. And then I realized, yes, there is another Bible verse concerning earthquakes in the book of Revelation. Just a moment. Revelation chapter 6 and verse 12. I looked when he opened the sixth seal, and behold, there was a great earthquake, and the sun became black as sackcloth of hair, and the moon became like blood, and the stars of heaven fell to the earth, as a fig tree drops its late figs when it is shaken by a mighty scroll. So this earthquake that is being described here in Revelation 6 and 12, where it says the sun went dark, that's going to come along with an eclipse, and the moon looking like what they call the blood moon. That's going to come like that at the same time. When that massive seal is opened, and that's going to be a very horrifying global earthquake that everybody will feel. It's going to be a massive one. That's what we call cataclysmic quake. But unfortunately, the earthquake that is coming to California is going to be the magnitude of great earthquakes and cataclysmic quake. We look now at Isaiah 13 and 13. These are all the scriptures that the Lord was giving me, just to prepare me to be able to bring this word and establish it on a scriptural basis. Isaiah 13 and 13 is basically an entire prophecy that I have brought here against the United States. There's an entire prophecy going through Isaiah 13 where God was saying that the majority of the judgments in Isaiah 13 are going to come against America, and that discusses armies coming against the United States, armies that in chapter 3, in verse 3, are called my sanctified ones that I have called, my mighty ones that I have called for my anger.